A quick backstory: if you may, a few videos away from this particular video that you're watching, I made a video on this channel where I was talking about different ways that you can differentiate between the fake and the original Carotone cream. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description area for you to go check out as soon as you're done watching this video. In that video, I did make a promise that I will come on here to share with you the Carotone brightening kit, and I have come to fulfill that promise in this video today. Hi bestie, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I'm an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. Please join my channel membership right there below. Okay, remember to always leave a comment in the comment section. I love to interact with you in the comment section. Now let's talk about the Carotone brightening kit. Now this kit is made up of 4 essential products, okay, from the brand Carotone, that helps to promote a brighter complexion for you, that helps to purify and to improve your skin tone. It will also reduce the appearance of dark spots and acne scars on your body, and of course it is going to lighten your elbows, your dark knuckles, your dark toes if you have any. And the Carotone brightening kit is made up of 4 major products from the Carotone brand, like I said, and this is a 350 ml of the Carotone body lotion, a 65 ml of the Carotone body oil. It also contains 100 grams of the Carotone bar soap, and most importantly it contains the black spot corrector, which is the all-time fave of a whole lot of people literally. Let's talk about the Carotone body lotion. This lotion is also known as the light and natural brightening lotion, and it contains collagen and vitamin A that helps to make your skin firmer and tighter. So if you've been experiencing saggy skin or wrinkles on your skin is not as tight as it used to be, it will help to improve the elasticity of your skin. It is also going to help your skin appear smoother and younger, and of course most importantly it is going to even out your skin tone. And that is thanks to the fact that it contains ingredients like the vitamin E, the carrot oil, vitamin A, and the citric acid. Now the Carotone body oil, of course, outside the fact that it is going to brighten your skin within 3 weeks, it is also going to help to purify your skin, soften your skin, rejuvenate your skin, even out your skin tone, and protect your skin from the rays of the sun or from sun damage literally. But that is not to say that you will not make use of sunscreens. I always say this a whole lot on this channel, that because a particular product you're using, whether your makeup product or your skincare product, contains a certain level of SPF, or the brands or the organizations or the company or the product tells you that it is going to protect you from the sun, you still always need to layer in with your sunscreen. Okay, so please, despite the fact that this body oil is going to protect your skin from the sun, my darlings, please make use of a sunscreen as well. Now the Carotone face cream is rich in B-carotene that helps to lighten your skin, reduces the signs of aging, and also protect your skin from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. And I will still repeat on an emphasis again, please make sure that you always complement all of your skincare products with a very good sunscreen. The brightening soap, on the other hand, is an effective exfoliating soap that is going to help to exfoliate your skin to reveal fresh skin. Okay, it's going to brighten your skin. It also contains deodorant properties that is going to help you to keep smelling fresh, okay, and clean all through the day. It is going to kill any form of bacteria on your skin or on any part of your body that causes or breeds body odor on your skin. And of course the better of them all, which is the black spot corrector, aside from the fact that a lot of people have also said that it helps them to reduce inflammation on their face. Okay, most people use it basically for their face, but it is also majorly to be used, okay, for your knuckles, your knees. Okay, you can use the black spot corrector for it. Just like the face cream, it also protects your skin from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and while it is doing that, it also helps to reverse every sign of aging on your skin. Now, is this kit ideal for you watching this video? My answer is yes, and my answer is no. I'm going to tell you why in a jiffy. I say my answer is yes because if you're somebody who is looking for a product that is really going to lighten and whiten your skin, emphasis on whitening your skin, because it is going to bleach your skin. If you want to know more about skin bleaching, right from the time that this channel started, we have about 4 to 5 to 6 videos addressing skin bleaching, what skin bleaching is, how to know your skin tone, how to bleach properly, and how not to under bleach. All of that is loaded in this channel that you need to go and check out as soon as you're done watching this video. But this particular brand is in fact a bleaching brand, if you would have me call it so. Okay, so if you know you do not want to whiten your skin, then you need to stay away from this. So if you're somebody who is looking to whiten your skin, then this product is the best bet for you. And now the reason why I say yes to it as well is because if you brighten your skin and you use it properly the way you're supposed to use it, and you layer on with a good sunscreen, it is going to bleach your skin evenly, not a Fanta upper Coke. I hope I'll be able to interpret that in the captions. You're not going to experience dark knuckles. One of the reasons why I've been experiencing dark knuckles is because you've been using just one of the products and you've not been using them well. I did promise one of you who sent me a message, I think on Instagram or WhatsApp, saying they want to know how to apply their body lotions on their body and on their hands to avoid the experience of having dark knuckles. You guys, you can see my hands, okay? You can see my hands. Thank God for my hands, okay? You can see this, you can see this, okay? Maybe I'm also going to make a separate video where I'm going to come on here to share with you how to apply your body lotion so that you can do away with, you know, dark knuckles, dark knees, and even toes as well. So my darling, this product is a bleaching product, each and every single one of them. If you listen to everything I said about each of the products I listed in this brightening kit, or that is listed in this brightening kit, you will see that all of them brighten and lighten your skin. It contains about 2% of hydroquinone, which is one of the most active agents used in bleaching the skin, okay? And that is a proof that this kit is a bleaching kit, okay? And now I said no because if you are somebody who is just looking to, you know, go one shade lighter, you just want to maintain your skin tone, you love how your skin complexion is, you just want your skin to be brighter, maybe your skin is dull, then this particular product is not for you. I have reviewed other soaps and other creams that you can actually fall back on right on this channel, so please go and check them out as soon as you're done watching this video. A lot of people have sworn by the fact that this particular kit, both the soap, the lotion, the body oil, the black spot corrector, will begin to show visible tangible results to show that it is working within the first 2 to 3 weeks of using it. Now, first of all, you want to take your bath, okay, from head to toe with your regular body soap that you use to wash your body, whether your normal body wash or your shower gel. As soon as you're done with that, you will now go in with this bar soap to wash your body. Remember, it is an exfoliating soap. The next thing, you want to go in with the body lotion on your body and the face cream on your face. If you have serums that you use, okay, that you want to add to your skincare routine or that are already in your skincare routines, please make use of your serums first, then cover that up with your Carotone face cream. As soon as you're done with that, you want to go in with your body oil on your body. Do not use body oil on your face. Don't do it, okay? Don't use the body oil on your face. Now, if you want a very fast and rapid result, it means that you will have to use this kit morning and night every single day for the next 2 to 3 weeks for your skin to become as white or as bright as you want, okay? If you want it to be a slow progress, and honestly, even if I apply things that want to tone out my skin, I always prefer to take it on a slow motion, okay? You want to make use of this once a day. You can decide to do it in the morning before you step out of your house, or at night before you go to bed after you've had your shower, of course. And that brings me to the end of this video. Are you going to be trying the Carotone brightening kit, or would you recommend it to anybody? Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, what is the possibility that you're going to be recommending this Carotone brightening kit to somebody around you? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video till the end, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, my darlings. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you.